In this video, I would be showing you how I was able to claim a free $10 no deposit bonus to trade the Forex market and be able to withdraw a profit from this account. So if you're interested in also claiming this bonus and also trading with this free Forex capital, I'm going to be taking you through the complete step-by-step guide to claiming this $10 Forex no deposit bonus. You can use this bonus to trade Forex and metals, and when you make profit and pass the trading requirements, you can withdraw profits only from this account. For most of you asking for the countries that are eligible for this bonus offer, according to the broker, this offer is available in selected regions, and there are no lists that shows the countries that can participate in this offer. So the only way to find out is by watching this video carefully and trying it out yourself. If you were able to claim this bonus by following my steps, then it means that your country is eligible to participate in this offer. Now, before actually claiming this free Forex capital, you have to pass the KYC verification process of this broker. So grab your identity card and a document for proof of address and follow me step by step. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome to Smart Hustle Media. On this channel, I make thorough research for the best no deposit bonus available to claim and trade Forex for completely free, without any risk attached, and of course be able to withdraw all of your profits made for completely free and without hidden fees. If you're interested in trading Forex for completely free, without any risks and be able to withdraw unlimited profits, then hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to receive the latest updates from me on this channel. Also hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can get to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. And with all that said, guys, let's get started. The registration link for this broker will be on my free Telegram community, and you can join my Telegram channel using the link in the pinned comment or description box of this video. Once you click on that link to this broker, it's going to take you straight to this registration form right here. First of all, select your title by clicking this arrow icon right here. Then you type in your first name, last name, country of residence, phone number, type in your email address on this email field, then type in a strong password on the password field below it. Once all that is done, the next step is to verify you're not a robot by checking this box right here and solving the CAPTCHA that pops up. After successful anti-bot verification, you should get this check mark right here. Once that is done, check these boxes to agree to their terms and conditions, as well as their privacy policy. Then you click this continue button right here to sign up for an account. After processing those details, a one-time password will be sent to the email account you used for the registration. You can copy that code from your email account and paste it in this box, then you click on the continue button right here to proceed. But if you don't want to use that method for verification, there's another way around it. First of all, open the email notification from this broker and click on the Confirm Now button that is on the body of this message. After clicking on Confirm Now button, give it a few minutes to redirect you to their client dashboard. Now, you have to pay very close attention to all the steps I'm going to be showing you right here so that you don't make mistakes and end up losing this bonus offer. Once you're on this page, scroll up a little and you should see a section that asks you to confirm you're at least 18 years and above by checking this box right here on this page. After checking that box, click on the Continue button right here and give it a few minutes to redirect you to their KYC verification page. Once you're on this KYC verification page, we have to complete some profile information before actually uploading our documents from review, with the first one being phone number verification. After typing in your phone number into that phone field, a one-time verification code will be sent to the phone number you filled into that field. Copy that code and paste it in this box to confirm the phone number belongs to you. After typing in that one-time verification code, click on the Continue button right here to proceed. Once phone number verification has been completed, you would be redirected back to this page to upload an ID card for identity verification and a bank statement or billing receipt as proof of your address location. As you can see, guys, the status of my identity verification is currently pending, and this is because I've uploaded all the necessary documents that are required for this verification. It usually takes about 30 minutes to get verified on this broker, but sometimes due to traffic from lots of people requesting for this KYC verification, it could take up to 24 hours to get verified. Once your KYC documents has been approved, you should see this message, "Your profile is verified," on the Profile Information tab. At this point, all that is left now is to claim this free Forex trading capital and start trading with it, without the fear of losing real capital to the Forex market. So to get started with claiming this bonus, click on the menu icon that is at the top left corner of this page. Once it expands, you should see an Accounts button right here. Click on this arrow icon that is next to the button, and then click on the Open Live Account button on this menu. It's going to redirect you to this interface. Just click on this Continue button right here on this page, and a list of different types of accounts would pop up just like this one. Select this account MT5 free $10 no deposit bonus pro from this menu, and leave every other accounts as they require deposits before claiming them. Once you select that account, you should get this form right here. Now, you don't need to change anything from the default settings. Just leave everything as it is and scroll down to the bottom of this form, and click the Continue button that is below this form. Once you click on that button, it's going to take you to this next interface. All you have to do here is click on the Continue button for the second time and give it a few minutes to fully create your trading account. As you can see, guys, mine says, "Your account has been successfully created," meaning I have successfully claimed the free $10 no deposit bonus. And I'm going to show you how to log in this account on your MetaTrader 5 application to start using it to trade the Forex market. So the first step is to open your MetaTrader 5 application and head over to the interface for adding new accounts. On the search bar, type in the name of the broker and click the appropriate search results from this option. It's going to take you to this login form. Copy and paste your login ID and login password in the appropriate fields. Then you check this box to save your login credentials, and then click the login button to proceed. If your authentication was successful, your $10 no deposit bonus will be visible to you on this next page, and you can start trading with this account without risking real trading capital in the Forex market and still be able to withdraw from it without any complication. Before we round up this video, let's talk about the terms and conditions for trading and withdrawing from this bonus account. I'm going to read the terms and conditions so that you know what you're to achieve while trading with this account in order to withdraw profits from this account. The terms and conditions state that 1. The $10 no deposit bonus promotion, the MT5 free $10 NDB Pro or account, is organized by Saracen Inc., hereinafter the company. 2. The $10 no deposit bonus, NDB, promotion is exclusively available to new account holders from selected countries. Clients must register using an IP address that matches their registered country. Registrations made using IP addresses from other countries may be excluded or disqualified from the promotion. 3. Account holders must be of 18 years of age and / or above. 4. To be eligible to receive the MT5 free $10 NDB Pro account, the participant must first obtain a new fully approved account. 5. The $10 credited into the account by the company are in the form of non-withdrawable, non-transferable trading credit, the trading credit, or credit, and valid for a period of 90 days from the date the credit was granted. If the account is inactive for 30 days or more during the 90 days validity period, the $10 credit will be canceled. 6. To withdraw any profits generated in the MT5 free $10 NDB Pro account, the client must be fully verified and must satisfy the following conditions. Profits are equal to or higher than $20, traded at least 5 standard lots, and a minimum open position duration of 3 minutes. Maximum $20 can be withdrawn, and any withdrawal request contrary to the above may result in rejection of the request and / or cancellation of the $10 trading credit. Only trades on currencies, Forex, and commodities shall be calculated, subject to the company's determination of eligible trading activity. All profits generated using the trading credit are subject to verification and approval by the company. The company's determination in relation to prohibited trading behavior, eligibility, and profit validity shall be final and binding. 7. Trading volume generated through abusive practices, including but not limited to rapid trade opening and closing, minimal price exposure, or repetitive trades without genuine market risk, shall not be counted toward the required trading volume. Prohibited trading behaviors include, but are not limited to, 7.1. Quote stuffing. Submitting a large volume of rapid orders and cancellations with the intention of creating artificial market movement, misleading other participants, or overloading the trading infrastructure. 7.2. Sniping. Executing trades based on stale, delayed, or otherwise non-current price data, particularly in low liquidity conditions, in order to capitalize on temporary market inefficiencies. 7.3. Price manipulation. attempting to influence the price of a financial instrument through coordinated trading, dissemination of false or misleading information, or any other form of deceptive conduct. The terms and conditions of this bonus account are too many to be covered in this video. I've already talked about the most important terms and condition for this account. You can read the rest of the terms and conditions on this page to find out more about this account. Now, to round up this video, I've just shown you how to claim this free Forex capital and also talked about the terms and conditions for withdrawing from it. And if you follow every single step that I just shared with you in this video, you have 95% chance of successfully getting this free Forex trading capital. The problem though is that sometimes these no deposit bonuses do expire after a certain period of time. So if you're watching this video after a few months of uploading it and this offer has ended, don't panic. I have a few but effective solutions to help solve this issue. The first solution is to check out the playlist that will pop up at this corner of the video. That way, you'll find other recent bonuses that are available to claim and start your trading journey for free, and of course be able to withdraw all profits made on these accounts without ever worrying about the risks attached to the Forex market. The second solution is to hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to stay updated whenever a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video gets to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. The final solution is to join our Telegram community using the link in the description box or pinned comment below. That way, you can get updates that was not uploaded to this channel directly from me. You can also chat with other members of the community whenever the group is open for questions. If you ever get confused or have any other questions, drop a comment below and I'll reply with a solution. Also, comment down below your country of residence, as it helps me search for the best free Forex capital that's available specifically for your country. And with all that being said and done, guys, I wish you all a fruitful and successful week. See you all on my next video. Peace.